Let's just leave that at that and move on to the hello. Yes, hello to you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things TessyE. If today is your first time coming to my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you're welcome. Okay, today's video is a makeup look. Don't worry, my hair is not cut. I tuck it back here. Okay, so today's video is a makeup look. I'll be walking around this place looking like a woman of Nazareth trying to wash people's feet, like that TikTok said.
It's not every day that you should be walking around looking like humble servant Mary Magdalene. I'm always looking for somebody's feet to come and wash.
Okay, so today I just want to do something fresh, clean, and neat. Let's hope I get it right. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm one of those people learn as you're going. Okay, so I'm learning, but I still want to share with you guys. And I know there are tons of people like me who are still learning, okay? And there are tons of YouTube video of makeup tutorial, but my name is TessyE, okay? So it's a quick and fresh makeup look. And if you're looking at me very well and very closely, I have my lashes done already. These lashes are the under eye lashes. I've shown it in my previous video, so the struggle of lashes is out of the way. Without further ado, let's get the video started. We're starting with the brows. Using this dark eye pencil. Right now my consistency is kind of shaky because I have quite a lot going on with me right now. We are trying to be a young entrepreneur. So you have to do everything yourself because you don't have the cash to pay for every single thing. I just go roughly with my brows like this, then that's why we have concealer to help us out by cleaning it. I just draw two lines like this, shade it up. I need my spoolie to blend all harsh line. Don't worry, we are looking all messy right now, but you will like the end result. Rough work. But here come the concealer. I'm using this NYX concealer to clean it up. I'm using this shade here. Brows are done. I don't know if you've heard about that song that says, I can't keep myself, oh, okay? Because these brows are always like this, they are never the same. Let's just leave that at that and move on to the next step, which is eyeshadow. I'm priming my lid with this NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. I'm using this Revolution Mass Reloaded palette, and I'm going with this orange here. Next color I'm using this yellow here. It's just gonna be colorful. I know I'm looking scary with this color right now, but don't worry, we'll get there. I'm going with this black color here with the same brush. I have to place it here. Now, back to the orange color, okay? For my tear dot, I'm going with this yellow here. All right, let's bring it home by applying foundation and all the necessary. Alright guys, so I've dusted my face with the foundation and this is the finished look and my hair put together. Okay, what do you think? Just keep my lip simple because the eye is doing all the talking with the vibrant colors. If you've watched to this point and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. Give this video a like and also leave a comment down below on the comment section. Let's connect more on the comment section. Alright guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.